What's up, guys? So I'm so excited right now because today I'm finally getting my first ever dirt bike. So my friend George, I would say we're best friends. Hold on, I'm gonna set up the phone right here. I just got back from baseball practice. You can tell by my pants. But my dad's gonna be home in maybe like an hour. So I'm going to pick up the dirt bike from George Veach's house. And they're trying to get to 200 subs. So make sure to check out George and Ryder's channel. It's called Those Bros. I'll pop a pic up right here. But go subscribe to them. Because without George, I would not be getting this bike. So it's going to be like an hour for me. Sorry, my dog's barking. But it'll only be like a couple seconds for you, so I will see you there. You filming?
Yep.
Alright guys, so this is the bike. Make sure to check out Those Bros. That's George's channel, who I bought it from. So yeah, I'm going to ride it around. Dang it, that's second. If I can find neutral. Alright, I think I got it. Dang it.
Oh.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that. Alright, that's new. Ow. I need to fix my boot. Still filming?
Yep.
Alright guys, so thanks to my mom for filming. She's behind the camera. Yeah, go check out George's channel. So I will see you. Okay, so there's gonna be new videos soon with the GoPro. And so yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.